Ben, the suspect has an open case out of Nashville, Tennessee for domestic assault for allegedly slapping his ex-girlfriend in the face. But he remains behind bars here in Massachusetts as we learn more tonight about his ties to that extremist organization.
Faint signs are still visible of the spray paint that marred the front entrance to the State House 3 weeks ago. The incident also connected to vandalism at the George Washington Monument on the Public Garden and 2 buildings at MIT in Cambridge.
That kind of conduct is disgusting. It's unacceptable. I'm glad that law enforcement was able to get him.
The defendant is linked to several incidents involving vandalism.
Jeremiah Sawaked of Everett in court yesterday to answer to several charges. Investigators say he's not only responsible for the vandalism, but allegedly left 2 improvised explosive devices on the Boston Common.
By monitoring the entrances into this Capitol, into these City Hall municipal buildings.
The arrest warrant points to this video of the suspect posted to X in May that first alerted authorities to his alleged ties to an organization called the Direct Action Movement for Palestinian Liberation.
It has become very clear that these domestic terror organizations like DAMPL are widespread. They're well-funded and very well organized across the United States.
Grad student Talia Khan co-founded a group called the MIT Israel Alliance.
People really need to, and especially the MIT administration, need to acknowledge that there is a real threat of terror and take the appropriate actions to ensure that people feel safe.
Now, the judge here in Boston set bail at $30,000. As of this afternoon, the suspect has not posted that bail, so he remains in custody. He has a court date next week, but yesterday at the arraignment, he did not have an attorney due to the public defender strike. So there is a chance that next week during his court date, if he does not have representation, he may be released. Live at the State House, Sarah Con, GW, CVB News Center 5.